Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE BoneAir Swim, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look / listen to these bone conductive headphones or earphones. So if I actually read it to the end, I will be actually able to know that it's headphones. Now, which one it is, probably is up to debate how you want to look at this, but whatever. So, there we go. So before I actually get into the package, let's quickly take a look. So we have IP68 Swimming Grade Waterproof, innovative BoneAir Dual Speaker acoustic technology, wireless and MP3 Dual Mode, and 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, I presume. So anyway, now I do want to quickly also mention one thing when it comes down to the IP ratings. This usually refers to fresh, clean water. So things like, for instance, chlorine water and swimming pool, yeah, that doesn't count. So if you're swimming in your bathtub, that's good. If you're swimming in a salty ocean, that's not so much. Chlorine swimming pools, nope. That's also going to be pretty bad. Now, the reason that this makes a difference is because typically any kind of salt or chlorine could potentially degrade the waterproofing seals on here, and obviously because of that, moisture would get in, and that's why when it comes down to these ratings, it's usually covering only the actual clean water. Now we get a pretty interesting case. It's not super durable, as you can see. It's just kind of a little bit flimsy, but still better than nothing. There's no logo anywhere on here, so it's kind of clean design. Opening it up, we have our charging cable. It's magnetic one. We get ear tips. I presume this is strictly for swimming, as these look kind of like swimming ones. So you can just completely plug your ears and stuff like that. Go swimming. Then we get the actual headphones. There's something more in here. So we got foam tips and these things. Okay. So let's boot this up and get a quick little test on how this actually sounds. Okay, I felt the vibration. Where's my phone? Oh, there we go. Oh, there is a little LED right here, blinking white and blue. And if I go into my Bluetooth devices, let's see, does it show? Yep, DOOGEE BoneAir Swim. There. Oh wow, that's relatively loudly set from the beginning. Okay. So let me quickly put those on and get a listen. Oh, that is so weird. I feel vibration from this. Oh, that is so weird. Now, this is not something that I'll be able to even or demonstrate in any kind of way. But you know what? The fact that this comes with these plugs right here is actually good. So when you put those on, they do sound a bit meh. Not much, nothing special. Very kind of tinny sound, kind of like a radio would. The moment you plug your ears, I just did it with my fingers, the sound becomes much better. Which basically means that you do need to have, or maybe not need to, but it will definitely sound better if your ears are plugged. as the sound basically then gets transmitted only to the bone, unlike right here where you can kind of hear this just as a normal speaker, as it does have some kind of volume to it. Very small one. When you put it right around your ear, it can hear it, obviously, kind of like an opening your headphones or something like that. But the moment you plug your ears, that's where the actual quality picks up a bit more. For swimming, this will be obviously perfect, as your ears either will be plugged by water or just by things like these. And at that point, your obviously quality of the sound will improve much more. And it's a very weird kind of thing that the moment you plug your ears, it actually sounds better. So in any case, obviously I do want to also mention, when you do that, they become better, but don't expect the sound to be just perfect. I'm trying to see how to turn those off. Oh, interesting. So holding the button right here tries to launch some smart assistant. Okay, so the middle click right here, holding it launches assistant, pressing it does play and pause, and then we have obviously volume up and down that controls it on the phone itself. If I do double press, it just does the same thing. Hold. Nothing happens. Okay. So anyway, there we go. Solid pair for people that just want to have open ear, kind of hear everything around them and still be able to listen to music. So these could be used for this, but obviously they do sound way better for plugging your ears and basically potentially more or less swimming, as they are intended. That's their intended use. Okay, so anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.